Does a flashing check engine light indicate a misfire? Have you ever wondered what a flashing check engine light really means for your motorcycle? It can be a bit alarming, especially if you are out on the road. Let's break down this important topic and see how it relates to engine misfires. First, let's clarify what a check engine light is. This light serves as a warning system that alerts the rider to potential issues with the engine. While motorcycles usually do not have a check engine light like cars, they do have warning lights or indicators for specific problems. Now, what exactly is a misfire? A misfire happens when one or more cylinders in the engine fail to ignite the fuel-air mixture properly. This can lead to a loss of power, rough engine performance, and decreased fuel efficiency. So how can you tell if your motorcycle is experiencing a misfire? There are several symptoms to watch for. One common sign is a rough idle. If your engine runs unevenly when idling, it could indicate a misfire. Another symptom is a loss of power. If your bike hesitates or loses power during acceleration, that is a red flag. You might also hear backfiring, which sounds like loud pops from the exhaust. This can mean burned fuel is igniting outside the combustion chamber. When diagnosing a misfire, there are a few common culprits to consider. Faulty spark plugs are often the main issue. If they do not provide the necessary spark to ignite the fuel-air mixture, a misfire can occur. Problems with the fuel system, such as issues with fuel injectors or carburetors, can also lead to misfires by causing improper fuel delivery. Additionally, issues with the ignition system, like a malfunctioning ignition coil or spark plug wires, can prevent the spark plugs from firing correctly. To diagnose a misfire on your motorcycle, you can use a few practical methods. First, listen for any uneven sounds coming from the engine. A misfiring cylinder can produce a distinct unevenness that is hard to miss. You can also use a multimeter to check the voltage output of the spark plugs. Another handy method is the spray test. Spraying a small amount of water on the exhaust headers can help identify which cylinder is not firing. If you see sizzling, that indicates a firing cylinder. In summary, while motorcycles do not typically have a flashing check engine light like cars, the symptoms of a misfire can still be identified through performance issues. If you notice any of these signs, it is important to diagnose and address the problem promptly to prevent further engine damage.